Hey there, welcome back. This is part 2 of that solo that I had done on the G Boogie Blues. You can find the backing track at hessguitar.com under the resources, and you can also find it under the backing tracks. And under there, I've also put the tabs to these solos. Now, in video 1, I did that transitional lick, which I use for my introduction, the double stops. And right after that, the next 12 bars is what you just heard at the beginning of this video. Now, remember, we're doing a shuffle, and so you got to have that shuffle feel to it, for you to really kind of get the, get the notes correct, get the timing and the syncopation done, appropriately. Okay, so it's going to be a little complex here to show you this and try to explain it as I go along. I'll try to explain as much as I can. Primarily, I'm just going to rely on the tabs that I'm going to put up on the screen for you to follow along. And I'll try to go slowly, and you can go through. Now you can stop and rewind as much as you need to. I realize this solo might look a little complex, but believe me, it's actually pretty simple. You just have to know just the opening theme on this and kind of get that feel, and the rest of it are relatively basic blues licks. Okay, well, let's get started here. So what I'm doing, I'm just doing a hammer on here from the minor third, to the major third. Pretty common in the blues. Okay, kind of get that's the theme. That's the phrase. Okay, just kind of watch the tabs, if you will, or if you can see my fingers here. Okay. Now I'm going to do pretty much the same phrase, but then I'm going to end it with a chromatic run. So okay. All right, there's the first 4 majors. Let me do it one more time. All right. Now, for the next 4, I'm going to go little half bend here. That is a pretty standard blues lick right there, okay? Okay. 6, 8, half bend, then 6, and then on the B on the 8th fret, okay? And make a statement. It's like you're putting a period or an exclamation at the end of that. Right? Okay. Now, what I'm going to do a pre-bend. I'm still in the C chord is still playing right here. So when I go, now I'm going to go, okay, I'm just going to go up here. I'm just going to stretch this up, my little half bend. Okay, so the whole lick. right. That's pretty basic licks, really. And I realize if you haven't played that before, it's basic to me because I've played it 100 times. But get that feel because you're going to utilize that lick all through your blues playing. Okay, so again, pre-bend. All right, now I'm going to go on this little riff right here. This is where I'm at here on the G string on the 7th fret, and I'm going to do a quick slide down. Right, and then I'm just going to do the octave. So it sounds like this. All right, so I'm on G7. Okay, you can see there on the tab. Okay, so let me do the whole thing. Okay. Right, let's play everything that we've done so far. Okay, from the top. Okay, now the last four, this is where we start the turnaround. And I do this little chromatic run. I think it's pretty cool. I start up here on the 9th fret on the G string, and I'm just going down by 3. And then I go down 1 fret. So I start at 9, 9, 8, 7, then 8, 7, 6, okay? Then 7, 6, 5, then 5, 6, 5, 4, and then 5, 4, 3. Wow, I should learn to count. So it sounds like this. Okay, now once we start there, I have to set up for the actual D chord. Okay, so let me play the whole thing here. Okay, I'm doing a D7. You could just play a D7 right here. You can play D7 right there, whatever you're comfortable with. I like this D7. I like to try to get this whole thing in right here. So let's do the last 4 majors again. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's the entire solo. Okay, if you get this, the first part, the little riff, and then you'll do a little a chromatic run, and then get these basic blues licks, and then these slide downs right here, and then this little chromatic run is relatively simple. So hopefully this isn't too complex. I think once that you play it a few times, you'll see that it really is very melodic and relatively simple. Well, let's take it from the top. Hopefully that was fun. The tabs are available for you for download. Again, HessGuitar.com. Feel free to comment below and let me know what you think. Also, I'll have another series coming up pretty soon as well. All right. Hey, until next time, happy practice.